Fine-tuning your tender scouting reports is not something that you actually have to do. Normally for most users it's enough just to match or pass your tenders in the inbox, but we do know that there's some users that just want to dig in and really find more tenders, so today I'm going to show you how to do that. To start with, you go to the playing field. This is loading your tender scouting reports. I'm going to go to NHS tenders. So normally you would train your tenders in your inbox. This is where you say that it's a match or a pass, and that's enough to train AndyBot to find you the right opportunities. However, let's just say that your inbox went down to 0 and you're still in the mood to dig around and find some more tenders. So a reason you might use this is if you decided to look into another keyword. You can see up here, this shows you the keywords that you actually used when you created the profile. But you might just want to be interested in looking for something else. So let's just say you were interested in patient, for example. Let's search. So you can see now we found other tenders that are now matched to the word patient. It is also using your other criteria, so there is machine learning going on here, but the initial profile wasn't really trained to find this term. So now you can add it. So we can now say, yes, I want to match this. Or you can actually go and look at other tenders that are like this. So you can see here, other tenders were interested in this one, so you can match that one as well. So that is actually how you fine tune. You can use the bench as well, but it's worth remembering that when you're fine tuning this profile, it is only the profile you're on that's going to be affected. So if you were to switch profiles, you're fine tuning that profile. We do have lots of other criteria, for example the country, and then we've got the tender type. And you can use any of those fields to keep fine tuning and add tenders to your profile. You can also, though it's worth saying, if you do go back to your profile, you can refine it here. So if you wanted to actually, instead of fine tuning, if you did actually want to change the keywords, for example, you can hit keywords here, and what this means is it's going to permanently update that profile. So unlike the fine tuner where you're just adding specific tenders, you can actually refresh the profile here by adding in the term. And you would just go through the process like normal. Choose who is going to be getting access to that profile and such like, but that's how you would actually modify the profile on a permanent basis.